Yo, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today we're gonna be talking about 3 upcoming Polkadot projects that you guys should keep your eyes out on. Actually, one was already covered on my channel a while ago, but they rebranded, so I gotta bring it up to you guys. So before we get to talking about these 3 projects, I'd like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We on the road to 10k subscribers, so if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, lastly, check out the description down below for the Patreon and the Discord, and let's get right into it, guys. Well, first, coming up, we got Relite Finance. It's a cross-chain lending protocol, and this is a very interesting cross-chain lending protocol at that. Basically, as you guys can see, you can lend, borrow, and stake all assets on one protocol, guys. So that is very interesting. Our goal is simply lend and borrow in a user-friendly ecosystem. Sustainable fees, optimal fees when executing contracts, and a cross-chain approach. You got Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So the market demand here is basically time for real interoperability by utilizing Polkadot technology. Native Bitcoin and Ethereum assets will exist in one ecosystem, guys. Get to lend, borrow, and stake across chains using their native assets, guys. All right, so now you got lower collateral and fair fees. On average, positions are over collateralized by 180%, guys. To usher in the future of finance, this has to change. Then they got simpler UX, basically a better design. And we designed Relite with a simplicity and sustainability in mind. So as you guys can see, you got how it works. You got the pool, you got Polkadot, Ethereum, DAI, and the lenders. Then you got the collateral with the borrowers. All right. So the primary features are, of course, we talked about it: interoperability, reserve fund, providing safety during high market volatility. The reserve fund ensures a better collateral ratio when it's needed, most acting as safety cushion during a shortfall. Then you got non-fixed and fixed term pools, and then scrolling down some more, you got the token basically allows you to govern liquidity mining and staking. And then here's the tokenomics for it. Is, of course, for the total supply, you got 9,001,100k tokens, right? Then you got the lock-in period and rewards. Basically, private sales is a 12-month vesting period with gradual release, 1/12 per month. Then you got the team locking, the team, which is 12 months locked up period. After that, it's a 12-month vesting with a gradual release at 1/12 per month. Also, then liquidity mining, they got no lock for that. And then as you guys can see, how the use of funds here, and then the team is public, as you guys can see. This is what a lot of people like to see, a public team. You can click on their profiles to actually go into their LinkedIn. Here's the advisors, and as you guys can see, guess who's here? Kyle Chassis of Paid Network, Master Ventures. So this is going to be another project for you guys to keep your eyes out on here. Kyle Chassis is in, and he's in it. So I'm not saying that's just the only reason, but that gives a familiar face for you guys to actually know about. And then you got the roadmap. Quarter 1, we're in Quarter 2 right now. They're gonna have the gradual migration to bridges and parachains. Then they're gonna have assets like USDC, Uni, Synthetic Comp, and Aave. And in Quarter 3 of 2021, they're gonna be fully interoperable with Polkadot and Ethereum assets, basically DOT, KSM, Akala, and the other assets is USDT, YFI, REN, and then NFT collaterals. Then Quarter 4, more interoperability, but with Bitcoin being the assets of Bitcoin and LTC. And then you got the fixed term pools, maturity contracts. And you guys can see for Quarter 1 and Quarter 2 of 2022, that's going to be more things that they're going to have in the future. So that is essentially what they have going on right now, and this is looking like it's going to be another great project. We're going to have to see how they come onto the scene, if they do an IDO through Polkastarter. And actually, it might not even be Polkastarter, because as you guys can see, it was Paid Network. houses and advisors, so that can be an ignition IDO, guys. That could be an ignition IDO, so you guys should keep your eyes out on that. So let's move on to the next project. Next one, we got Polars, guys. This is another great looking project as of right now. They're going to be doing some beta testing. Early users get rewarded, but before, we're going to get to that later on their website. So basically, as you guys can see, the new DeFi concept for prediction market. So this is going to be a prediction market coin, right? The DeFi platform for creating secure polar tokens, the price of which depends on the result of the specific external events. We already know what that means. You're just betting on outcomes, guys. Within the Polars platform, users can buy, sell, and exchange Polar tokens, as well as participate in the distribution of the platform's commission income. That is pretty good, right? The first Polar token pair available for trading on the Polars platforms are black and white tokens, Polar tokens. And then, as you guys can see, they're going to be powered by Polkadot, Ethereum, and BSC. Base concept is Polar tokens. Basically, you got the white token here and you got the black token. So the price of the Polar tokens depends on the result of the specific external event. If the white team wins, then the price of the white token will rise, and as the price of the black token will fall by the same amount. And basically, that's just going to be the same thing for the black token if they win, and it's going to be the opposite for white token, right? And as you guys can see, you can take action here. You got all of these. You get profit, choose your role. You could choose your strategy on how you want to actually play the market, and then you could choose your team, whether you want to be black or white. Scrolling down a little bit more, you got the multi-chain platform development. They're going to be going on Polkadot, Ethereum, which is available now, and then BSC available now also. All right, and then as you guys can see, Polar's features, you're going to have the arbitrage opportunities, the simple app, and a gamified process. And on the roadmap, where are we right now? We are in March. They're going to be doing their private sale, which is actually ongoing as of right now. Like I said, we're going to scroll down a little bit more after this and then see it all. Then you're going to have open whitelist for the testers. This is right here where you want to try to actually test this. Become a tester and get your opportunity to get into this project early, guys. Not too many people are talking about this, and I'm still, I'm probably one of the first YouTubers talking about this, and it's a small channel, so the ones that pay attention can actually get into this fairly early, right? Smart contract development, and you got the initial audit of the smart contracts, and in April they're gonna have, I went over this. March, we're past March. I'm sorry, we're actually in April, guys. They're going to be launching their MVP. They're going to have the smart contract development, the start of the public sale phase 2 LB. They're going to be doing a balancer pool and then Uniswap pool, right? Then they're going to launch the pool for liquidity. And then in May, they're going to have the smart contract development, the launch of the MVP on mainnet Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, then events live stream integration, and then the full audit of the Polars smart contract. And then in June 2021, they're going to have the Polars creators testing, and then Polkadot integration, and then Polars redesign platform. That is all soon. This is in progress as of right now. So scrolling down, as you guys can see, right now, like I said, testing farming program. Test the farm program for free on testnet and get airdrop polls tokens to your mainnet wallet. We allocate 5 million polls for this, guys. Then you got the unique access to the token sales in phase 1. Basically, test the platform for free on the testnet and get access to the most profitable token sale stage at the price of 1 polls from 15 cents to 45 cents, guys. Available only for testers. Once again, I told you guys, test this out. This is going to be for testers, right? You can start testing here, get access, start testing here, and then get polls, right? Then you got the liquidity distribution program launched. As you guys can see, the private sale is still going on right now, and this was I'm talking about. Public sale, April, phase 1. This is going to be for guys the people that were testers. So you get it from 15 to 45 cents. Then May, which is going to be, they're going to launch on the balancer, which I really don't like balancer. I don't like it, but from what I've seen so far, projects that launch on balancer and then come onto Uniswap do dump. So your opportunity to actually get it at a cheaper price off of than balancer will be to get it on Uniswap, right? This is where they're going to drop on Uniswap, which is in May also. All right. So that is pretty much what they have right now on their website. But let me know what you guys think about Polars. Let's move on to the last project, guys. This is the XPredict market, another prediction project coming onto Polkadot. But the thing is with this project is that they rebranded from Polka Oracle. If you guys remember earlier on in my channel, I have talked about Polka Oracle, and they actually rebranded into XPredict market, guys. So it's going to be a Polkadot based cross-chain prediction platform initiated by the users and community governance, right? XPredict is a decentralized cross-chain prediction platform designed to provide diversified, automated, safety-oriented, high-yield, socialized forecasting services, allowing users to freely initiate predictions, govern real events, discuss and participate in incentive programs. Right, so we're gonna have a lot of prediction market projects on the Polkadot ecosystem. You got Option Room, right? The Option Room is like not Option Room. Polka Markets. There you go, Polka Markets, and they're gonna have XPredict. You're gonna have Polars. There's a few more that I actually forgot, but it's gonna be an interesting space, right? The problems they're facing, centralization in the platform manipulates issues and results, limitations limited to simple price predictions or certain event types. Single income platform currency is monopolized by platform and investors, right? Only enables predictions without communications, lack of liquidity in order books. The operating experience is complicated and unfriendly, guys. Only support one blockchain network. So the advantages of XPredict market would be spontaneous predictions, community autonomy, asset cross-chain, multiple benefits, the PFMM, which is referred to as a automated marketing, a new type of fixed product automated market maker, which automatically adjusts and predicts the value of the token, no longer requires in-depth support of thin order books and greatly increases liquidity. Then you got social system. All right, this is going to be the tokenomics, and they're going to be called the pot token. So 420, guys, pot. Nah, I'm joking with you guys. But anyways, yeah, that's going to be the token metrics, as you guys can see here. Scrolling down some more, here goes their roadmap. We're in Q2, MVP launch, the prediction mining, staking and liquidity mining. Then Q3, they're gonna have the governance, staking nodes, reporting and supervising mechanisms, support more assets, prediction rankings, forum for user communications. And in Q4, they're gonna have solid communication and social system, prediction markets, self configuration with more freedom, prediction proposals made automatically, and then they're going to upgrade their UI and UX. And as you guys can see, you can contact them there. So this is the 3 upcoming Polkadot projects you guys should keep your eyes out on. One being one that actually rebranded from Polka Oracle to Polaris, and then to Relite, which is probably the biggest one out of the 3 so far in this video. But let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you guys haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on the road to 10k subscribers, so if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.